He said that the Muslim पक्ष को आना चाहिए. Why not the Hindu? Let them show a bigger heart. Why only my asta every now and then? Why should I sacrifice myself every now and then? Let them come before. Let
After
them show their
hearing
bigger
that
heart.
Shivling
Let
is a
them give the
fountain,
rights of that.
we should
Let's
come
have
forward
Mohan
and give a
Bhagwat also
formula.
said.
After praying on the chaukhut of this mosque on every fourth day of Vasantik Navratri of Ma Shringar Gauri, we should come and give a formula. After seeing that our shikhars are in dilapidated condition beneath these three central domes, we should come and give a formula. After seeing that these pillars are still saying that they are the ruins of Hindu temple, we should give a formula.
No, hold on a second. I have a specific question. Vishnu Jain, I have a specific question. You are saying always the Muslims are asked, give up your claim. Give up your claim. They are saying, you give up your claim, you got Ayodhya, let them keep Kashi.
See, the fact of the matter is, Padmaja, that I am quoting you very, very clear Hindu Shastric law that once a place, there is a temple which has been established, then till the end of the time it remains the property of the deity and no one can even touch it. Now, the point is very, very simple here and very, very simple legal issue that who is prior in time. Waris Bhai and the case of Anjuman Intizamiya is that in 1669 Aurangzeb has constructed this so-called mosque. Our case is that the so-called mosque is not constructed by Aurangzeb, it's a pre-existing Hindu temple which is used as a mosque. Therefore, we are asking for ASI survey. Now, Waris Bhai says that no, ASI survey should not happen because ASI survey will damage the property. ASI gives an affidavit that this survey will not damage the property. ASI is the premier institution of the country. Padmaja, let me tell you, 2021 SCC page 1 para 661, the Supreme Court has said the ASI is the premier institution of the country, but you do not believe in the ASI. You say if ASI survey will happen, it will damage the property. Let ASI survey happen. And Waris Bhai, let us see whether this mosque was constructed by Aurangzeb or it was pre-existing. Let it happen. What's the difficulty? Why are you afraid of Western Wall being investigated?
In fact, sir,
let's get investigated the Western Wall. What's the harm in it?
Mr. Pathan, in fact, Yogi Adityanath is going a step forward. He's saying you don't trust ASI. आप फॉर्मूला दीजिए. आप कहिए कि आपको एएसआई पे भी ट्रस्ट नहीं है, कोर्ट पे भी ट्रस्ट नहीं है. You give a formula. What should be done? What is the harm in doing that?
Well, then let him show a bigger heart. Well, then let him show a bigger heart. Already our Babri Masjid is Shaheed. Kindly allow us here. That is what the intention of the places.
But sir, historians who are called left historians,
let them come forward.
Left historians have also accepted that Gyan Vapi was built on the ruins of a temple. Exactly. Let me actually quote to you historians who are known as left of center. Nadeem Rizvi, author and professor of medieval history at AMU, says no one can justify what Aurangzeb did. However, we can't behave like him and keep demolishing mosques to restore temples. You have got other historians from the Aligarh Muslim University, Irfan Habib, who has said Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb destroyed temples in Varanasi and Mathura to raise mosques. Irfan Habib is saying it. So it's not as if Vishnu Jain or the BJP or Yogi Adityanath or Kaushal Kant Mishra is saying that this was a temple. Irfan Habib is saying it.
It was so insane that he demolished the entire temple, but he left the Wazu Khana there. You mean to say that?
Irfan Habib is saying it. I am not saying it.
Why you are shying away from survey? Let Wazu Khana be surveyed. Padmaja, let me tell you that we got an order from the Honorable Allahabad High Court, 12th of May 2023, where the Allahabad High Court said that this should be investigated and it should be investigated whether it's a fountain or shivling. Padmaja, let me tell you who went to the Supreme Court. The Anjuman Intizamiya went to the Supreme Court and said that this investigation should not happen.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Waris Pathan, again, I had a very specific question that I asked of you. I have a very specific question that I asked of you, which was that everyone from left of center historians to, people who have been associated with the Hindu right have all said that the evidence speaks for itself. Now, instead of having a long drawn battle, why don't you just come to a middle path?
Under the Babri Masjid, there were no idols. बाबरी मस्जिद को तोड़ा ही नहीं था. The Supreme Court has also said.
सर, अब बाबरी मस्जिद पे वापस नहीं जाते हैं. बाबरी मस्जिद ऑलरेडी डिसाइड हो चुका है. हम यहाँ बैठ करके we cannot reinvent the wheel.
Same thing we are facing now, Padmaja. Kindly go to the Supreme Court's order.
Every case depends upon its own facts.
Exactly.
We cannot mix the case of Babri Masjid, and then also he's quoting erroneously.
Exactly. So let's not go into the Babri Masjid because that's a settled issue.